SGMS! Welcome back! This is Mr. Scruggs tutorial number 2 on using SmartMusic. Today we're going to be submitting an assignment. This is a very important lesson to learn, and I hope that I can help you successfully submit an assignment on SmartMusic today. So, let's get started. You want to use Chrome browser, so don't go to Internet Explorer. Please use Chrome browser. We all know about Chrome browser. So you open up Chrome and you type in www.smartmusic.com. And there we go. SmartMusic is open and we need to go to Login. New SmartMusic. Aha! Username and password. So I'm going to use my student email account, the one that I used to create my SmartMusic, and my password. And you need to remember to write those down. Please write down your email and your password for SmartMusic, and put that on a sticky note or a post-it note somewhere near your computer or on your computer screen. Oops. Not over the camera though. Well, you can if you want. I don't know. So you need that handy. Don't lose that. That's really important information. Log in. Waiting. Aha! I see something. Loading. Oh yeah, there it is. Bingo! All right. So this assignment, I'm going to do one assignment for percussion and one assignment for wind instruments today. Let's do percussion assignment. So I'm going to show you a couple ways we can do a percussion assignment. One way is to use, and I'm like a bad middle school student. I left all my sticks at school before, back in March, before we were locked out of school, before we were on quarantine. So all I have are my bell mallets that I found in the basement, and I'm going to do my my percussion assignment with that. So if you don't have your snare drum or your practice pad or your drumsticks, you can use your hands. These are percussion instruments right here. These are percussion instruments. You can use these to complete the assignment. Or you can use some sticks and like a piece of cardboard. Or some sticks and your kitchen table. And so hopefully that will work. We'll find out today. So let's do a SmartMusic assignment. Percussion. This is for you guys. Drummers, you're up first. Here we go. Let's do a percussion assignment. Brooks, Cole, I hope you're watching this. This is for you guys. Zach, Lyle, all the percussionists that I miss teaching right now. Okay, so guys, this is going to be really fast. I can't clap that fast physically. I'm not capable of clapping that fast. To clap this, so I'm going to do it with my sticks and just the table. So, really important here, we opened the assignment by clicking on Start, if you remember, and I'll point that out next time on the next assignment we do together. You want to click on Record. This is play. That just means we're going to play it. When you're playing it, you can go any tempo. This is the tempo over here. You can go any tempo you want. But when you're recording, it has to be exactly the tempo it started at, I think, usually. So we're going to click on Record. And since we're doing percussion today, we want to use percussive through microphone. Percussive through microphone, since we're doing percussion. Select that mode and device. Unplug your headphones. Turn the volume up. Volume's all the way up. Test your microphone. And sweet, we're ready to go. So hopefully you heard that sound. If it didn't work, I'll show you what happens when that doesn't work next time on the next assignment that I do here in a couple minutes on this video. I'll show you later in a minute in this video what happens if it doesn't hear the microphone. If the microphone doesn't work, and how we can solve that problem. But for right now, we're ready to go. So we're going to plug in our headphones, because that will give us better results when we play and submit an assignment. Headphones are plugged in. And let's start. Okay. Well, that's not too bad. Mr. Standard, if you're watching this, please remember that I am a trombonist, not a percussionist. So, you can comment on my mistakes. I don't really care. I know I did it wrong. I'm just doing this as an example of what to do for submitting an assignment. So, I'll do a better job next time, okay? Brooks, Cole, Zach, come on, guys. Go easy on me. I'm trying, okay? Brinley, I know you can play this. Trinity, I know you got this. Georgia, Gia, Bridger, you guys can play this in your sleep. Don't just be nice, okay? So the next thing we need to do is record. We don't want to record again. Nope, we already did that. We don't want to delete it. Saving's good, but you know what would be better is if I could grade it. And if you want me to grade this assignment, you have to click on submit. Really important here. I'm pretty sure that a lot of students are doing their SmartMusic and then they're saving it, which I'm sorry guys. If you save it, that's great. It's on your computer forever or until you get rid of it, but it never gets to me. It's so frustrating when I look at SmartMusic and I see that you've saved your assignment but not submitted it. Please click on submit. And you can type in a little comment. If you want. This takes a little bit of time. Please be patient. I wish there was a way for me to like fast forward. Okay, done. Moving on. Okay, so I did this assignment. I don't need to do it again unless I really want to, but I'm not going to. I'm going to click on the home button up here. So you want to click on home once you're done with that assignment, and you want to go on to your next assignment. I'm going to go ahead and do this assignment down here. I'm going to do this happy birthday assignment. Am I? Yeah, let's do happy birthday. So this time I'm gonna do the assignment on my trombone, guys, which is right over here. That's my guy right there, trombone. Woohoo! Trombone players, go trombone. General instructions: practice and learn Happy Birthday. Try to memorize Happy Birthday. This is one of the most important songs you'll ever know. Practice, learn, and eventually memorize Happy Birthday. It is one of the most important songs you'll ever know. Watch for the Happy Birthday Challenge coming soon to a city near you. Here we go. Happy Birthday. So this is Happy Birthday. There's a little bit of introduction stuff here. I'll find out what that is in a little bit. And so we're gonna record and submit. And we want to use melodic through microphone because I'm going to use my trombone today. And so we're ready to go. Melodic through microphone, select this mode and device. Unplug your headphones, turn your volume on, test your microphone. Oh, I forgot to unplug my headphones, guys. I forgot to unplug my headphones. Have you unplugged your headphones? Now I have. Now I have. But guess what? I forgot to turn my volume up. Barely hear it. And it worked. Okay, so I got to plug my headphones in. I don't know if it was my whistling, which isn't that great, but you could try it. If your mic doesn't work, try whistling. I think that'll help. So here we go. didn't do very good on that assignment. I think I want to redo, okay? So if I want to redo it, I just go here, click on record again, and away we go. Once again, for some reason, maybe my internet's really slow right now. Maybe my computer's old and Jurassic. It didn't give me a very good score. But I know that when Mr. Scruggs listens to my assignment, he'll give me a good score because he loves me and he loves my trombone playing. I don't know. That was just weird. Sorry. I had a lot of coffee today. So we want to just submit that assignment. Done. That assignment's done. Okay. So that's what you want to do. Hopefully this helps you to submit your assignments and get them done. I hope that you will be able to more successfully do some assignments after watching this video. Until the next time, have a great time on SmartMusic. Woohoo!